babykins. Where are the babies? Babies, where's Hannah? Woohoo!
Oh, you like that, huh? There, now she's stuck for a while. Look at this one.
Archer!
Hannah!
Archer, what you doing?
Hi!
Oh, she's too cute.
What are you doing? Thank you. What are you doing? Get her, Archer, get her. Go save Hannah. Archer, go save Hannah.
No, they have the same birthday actually, but they're not related.
They're 2 hours apart.
Oh, how cool.
So they could have been twins. We call them the twins.
Yeah.
We confuse everybody doing that. They were telling what's her name? Amy said she was so confused when we said they were the twins and then said I was the grandmother.
Oh.
We threw her totally, completely off.
Yeah, that'll do it.
That's okay, I have fun with that. Okay, give me a hand. You need help? You're going deeper. Here, I'll help you. Come on. Here.
Archer's like, I'm getting out, I'm getting out.
You can do it. If Archer did it, you can do it. There you go. Look, she got out from the middle. I can't believe what happened in the middle of that mess.
Careful. Careful, Buggy. Up. Fell down. You fell down. What happened?
Here we go. Whoa!
I say he fell off. It was pretty funny.
She's like, how am I getting out of this one? Hannah!
It's high though. She's not going to be able to reach it over
She's
here.
scared. Come on. Come on.
You can do it,
Look
Hannah.
what Archer's doing. She's
Right.
a scaredy cat, a stupid thing.
Follow Archer. You gonna do
Come on,
it?
Hannah,
You
come
gonna do
here.
it?
Come on.
I see you.
Come on, get on the top of them. Come on, get on the top of them. You
But
can
this
do
thing
it.
is much more fun than the setup with the other one.
Huh?
And the other one's all nicer and newer, but this is more fun for them.
Yes.
Hello?
Archer, where are you going? Is there an underneath there?
That's what I was just checking. Hi, Archer.
Hannah! Hi, baby! Hannah! Hi! Hi, baby! Come on!
Come on. Climb.
Up! Up!
Climb.
Up!
Up and out.
Hannah's pulling on Archer's foot.
Okay, follow Archer.
Come on! Come on! You can do it! You can do it! Yay! Good job, guys. Go follow Archer, please. Careful, they're little. They're little. Be careful. Follow Archer. Follow Archer.
Can you jump, Archer?
Come on.
Jump, jump, jump.
Jump.
Jump, jump.
Jump with Archer.
Bounce, bounce.
Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going. Hey.
They're trying. Bounce, bounce, Archer, bounce.
She jumped out. She's like, I'm diving out of here.
Ha-ha. Ta-da, ta-da. Archer, bounce. Jump, jump, jump.
Bounce, bounce.
There goes Hannah.
I want to give her whiplash.
Bouncing, baby.
Try it. Bounce, bounce. Have a look. Bounce, I'm getting out of here.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. He's actually trying, but he hasn't figured it out.
What you got? See how she dives? She does it on the wood floor.
Archer, jump. Jump, jump, jump. And you're out.
And we're on the loose.
Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump. You jump in. Bounce, 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 bounce. Where you going? Woohoo!
Ready?
Hey, Evan, are you having so much fun?
Bella.
Here. You got it? Need a hand? No, you're good. Good job, Buggy. Dun, 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 dun. Jump, jump, jump. Ready? Hold on my hand. Bounce, bounce.